Hi my friends, it's Ian again with another tutorial video. A young lady, Joanne, has asked me how do I add a video to the splash pages, okay, that you create. So we'll click on splash pages and I'm not logged in, so let me just do that. Oh, I don't know what I'd do without RoboForm, I tell you. I wouldn't be able to remember anything. Not a thing, not even my own name. Okay, so let's go over to the Pro Tools and we'll click on the very first one. This is one of the original tools that we had, the Splash Page Builder. Okay, now earlier on I created a video showing you that. Okay, so how to build that. Did you see it animate then? Right, very good. So the new tool is in the list. Let me just show you where that is in case you want to look for that. And that is, whoops, in the newest tools, and that's the animated splash or capture page. Okay, so now that I've created it, then what I can do is come over here now and click on edit settings. Okay, and what we must do in this, we want to put it, welcome to Buildabizonline. So this video, let me just do that. Okay, I'm going to put the video just underneath this line here. So we've got to find that line by clicking on source. Okay, so it's welcome to Buildabizonline just there. So what we do is that. Okay, so we've come underneath. Okay, let me have a look what's happening here. Where's my little cursor? Okay, and then we put in there an open bracket. Okay, this is for different tags. Okay, we know really an open bracket is that when you're writing. Can you just see it just here? Okay, but an open bracket for a tag is that center and close, and then we want to hit the enter button twice, and then we want a closing tag for a center, which is open bracket / center and then a closing bracket. Okay, and underneath that, I don't think I need to do anything. That will do nicely. So what I've got to do now, where this, I'm going to put 3 axes, 4 axes in there. I'm going to show you what it looks like at the moment. Okay, so right where those axes are, we're going to put a video. So let's go over to Buildabizonline. Okay, to the YouTube channel, and I would love you to subscribe if you haven't done that. Okay, and we're going to look at your channel, Ian Stewart, and I'm going to add this brand new video. Okay, so we click on the video that we want and we pause it, and then what we need, nobody's liked it yet because it's brand new, you see. I wish you'd like it. We click on the share button just there, and we want to embed. Okay, so this is the code that we need to copy. So we left click copy. Okay, and then we go back over to our site just here. We click on source because you can't just paste it there. You've got to click source again. And where those are, let me just put that down here a bit. I'm going to put them, no I'm not, it doesn't matter, Ian. What are you doing, Ian? I've got there, I'm going to paste. So highlight that and then click Control V, and that has pasted that in nicely. Okay, so you can see it there, iframe, it starts with iframe. Now you can mess about with the sizes. I don't normally do that. I'm just going to remove this here. If you get some of these, just remove them. Okay, then click on source. Okay, you won't see the video yet, but when we click save, and we go over to our capture page or splash page. In this case, I'm teaching you how to do it in a splash page. It's exactly the same in a capture page. And then we click refresh. We should have a nice video there. Okay, so that's how to add a video that works. And my friends, yep, it works fine. Into one of your splash pages or capture pages. It will work both the same. Okay, thanks for listening, and bye-bye for now. Let me know if you need a video making for something that you're working on. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe. All you do is go over to YouTube just there, and you click this here. This is Ian Stewart at Buildabizonline. Okay, you click that and you subscribe. That way, when I do another training video, you will be one of the first to get it, because it will send a link to your mailbox. Okay, my friends? Bye-bye for now.